Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a quick look at this 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser. And this is going to be a brief look at the PT Cruiser. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a few of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at All City Auto Sales in Indian Trail, North Carolina. So, without further ado, let's go and start it up, let it run. It's a silver exterior with a gray cloth interior. $62,000 miles. Four-spoke steering wheel, automatic transmission, CD player with auxiliary input, silver accented interior to match the exterior, simple to use climate control, AC controls, different zones and defrost, rear defrost, analog clock, power windows with automatic passenger and driver side, has manual seats, good shape, tilt steering wheel, stylish design doors, power locks, manual mirrors, this PT Cruiser comes with the 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder. Very clean. Standard wheel covers, good Goodyear tires, pretty good amount of rear space. Hatch opens nice and tall to yield a wide opening. Side storage pockets, jack stowage. The vehicle's mats. Back seats do fold by pushing down the button and pushing forward, yielding much extra cargo space. The middle seats also fold up, just in case you need that little bit of extra room. Does have side airbags. Rear window controls, cup holders. Manual passenger seat as well. And let's go and see how it sounds. There's a rev limiter around 3,000 RPM. Pretty good sounding motor. And let's go ahead and shut it down. Hope you guys enjoyed this brief look at the 2008 Chrysler PT Cruiser. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, everybody.